Okay, we got water for our lubrication. We got oil. We got gas. We got blade tensioned. I think we're ready to cut our first log, so we're gonna fire it up in just a second and try it out. Should be all choked and everything. Watch out for that pole. That pole where your arm is. I probably should wear a mask for that since it's cedar. Yep. That's a good one here. Well, there's our first cut. Now looking at this board, we're pretty pleased, and we don't know what we're doing yet. But we got a board cut, so we're gonna flip it over. Like I said earlier on one of the videos, all I want is a 2x6. If I can get one 2x6 out of there, I can make me those crosses. This one's big enough that if we had practiced and kind of knew what we were doing, we probably could get 2, maybe even 3. Because he's got some pretty good meat right up here vertically, and then I could make several of them. But if I get one, I'm happy because it was a free log anyway. So, that's, if you think about it, 17 bucks. I'm well on my way to paying that off. $17. Oh, I need to turn those around. I got the little drop down tab facing the log, which makes it not sit straight. Yeah, that's the back. See what I'm talking about? That tab. It's pretty flat, I guess. Yeah. Or are you supposed to go down once? Huh? Are you supposed to go flat on the bottom and then cut another side first?
No, you cut the flat first, and then you get this, and then you rotate that square corner down the bottom.
Okay. All right. Man, I gotta get me. I'm highly allergic to cedar, and so I can go get me a mask and something for my arms. They're already getting red. So I finally called them today, and the reason, well, anyway, basically what it is we think it's RPMs, which is what we thought, because it sounded like it wasn't going as fast as it should be going. That was one of the first things he mentioned, is that possibly on this automatic water lever here, sometimes that gets in the way. There is 2 slotted adjustments here, and so he has suggested to pull that over some. But ours doesn't appear to be hitting, so when you pull the throttle down, it does, you pretty much can't push the lever over any further. But what you can do is reach in there and hit the governor spring, and that revs this thing up great. And then I was able to cut through that last board that Phil was having so much trouble with, and you know, actually that's a pretty good board there. It can get me a nice little, you know, plaque or something out of it. So anyway, it's something to do with the RPMs. And later this weekend when I get time, I'll come out here and kind of see if there's some, maybe an idler screw or something I can mess with. I'm not really sure. This is a brand new motor for me, so I'll have to kind of research it a little bit. I am going to get me a tachometer. We might actually have one in there that he had put on the old blue lawnmower. If I can find that, I'll do it, because he did mention that at idle it should be around 1800 for this motor when I talked to him today. So if I can do that, I'll check that out. And then of course, you know, most of these are what, 3600 on max. So we'll see what we got. We got it going, and I got my board cut, so maybe this evening I'll finish up this log and see if I can get me that 1 2x6 out of it. Otherwise, just get outside, do something, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.